This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Are you looking for a quick and easy meal that's packed with flavor and nutrition? Look no further than this miso pork and cabbage stir fry. This is a great dish for busy weeknights or when you're craving for some Asian-inspired comfort food. Let's start with the pork. I bought this pork collar that is already thinly sliced for shabu shabu. You can also use other cuts of pork if you like pork belly. I'm going to cut this in half. If you cannot find thinly sliced pork, you can buy a piece of pork and put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes to harden it, then slice it thin. You will also need some cabbage. To cut up the cabbage, it's dangerous to cut a cabbage when it's rolling around. So, turn it upside down and put the top part of the cabbage down onto the cutting board. This will make it more stable. Then, cut the cabbage in half. Put the flat side of the cabbage down and cut it in half again. Cut away the core. Then cut the cabbage into smaller pieces. I will only use half the cabbage today, as this is pretty big. You will also need some carrots that are thinly sliced. And I'm doing so with this peeler. Also, chop up some garlic and slices of ginger. For the sauce, combine miso, light soy sauce, cooking sake, and sugar. To stir fry, put your wok over a medium heat. When the wok is hot, add in your oil. And when the oil is hot, add in your ginger. Stir fry this ginger for about 30 seconds to 1 minute till it's fragrant. Then add in the garlic and the pork. Break up the pork as you stir fry, as this thinly sliced pork tend to clump together. Fry this pork till it's no longer pink. Then add in the cabbage. As with the pork, break up the cabbage as there may be big pieces of cabbage in there. When it's nice and loose, add in a splash of water. Then let it simmer till the vegetables are softened. Cook it a little longer if you like your vegetables to be softer. I have not added the carrots in here at this point, as my carrots are shredded very thinly and they cook very quickly. Add in your carrots. But add in your carrots with the cabbage if you have larger pieces of carrots. When the vegetables are tender, add in your miso sauce. Give all this a good mix. Bring it to a boil and reduce the sauce by about half. Then turn off the heat, taste and adjust for seasoning. But don't use the spoon that you use to stir your miso sauce. It tends to screw up the taste on your tongue. When it is the way you like it to be, we are done. You can serve this stir fry over rice or noodles. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes.